5 things garages don't want you to know. Here's what garages won't tell you about your car. Garages won't tell you how easy some repairs are. Some repairs and maintenance procedures are easy enough that you may want to consider performing them yourself instead of having them done by a mechanic. You could save some money by changing your own oil or spark plugs, for example. Different types of car part. Using OEM parts can save you money and deliver the same quality as genuine parts. In other words, OEM parts, original equipment manufacturer, are the same as genuine parts, except they come in a box that is branded with the outsourcing company's logo, rather than the vehicle manufacturer's logo. Some garages are more affordable than others. The cost of services varies from garage to garage, and dealers are typically the most expensive. DAScenter, for example, offers the same quality service at a much lower price than dealers. We use only OEM standard parts, and DAScenter has access to all the latest software and hardware updates directly from Europe, allowing us to offer complete technical support on most vehicle systems. How the book time for repair works. A mechanic can use this guide to determine how long a repair should take for your particular car and problem. In some garages like DAScenter, these guides are used to charge a flat rate for repairs, no matter how long the actual repair takes. This is a good thing for consumers. There will be no overcharging. Lastly, mechanics won't tell you the truth sometimes. Luckily, most mechanics don't try to take advantage of their customers. However, every once in a while, there will be a mechanic who does this. Have you asked yourself if the part that was supposed to be replaced is actually replaced? Or did it even need to be replaced? To be on the safe side, choose a car service center that has a good reputation and has been trusted by many people. At DAScenter, we have the solutions to all your car repair requirements, whether it is general maintenance or a complete engine overhaul. We strive to provide quality service at an affordable price. To make an appointment, click below.